Hey folks, I just happened to check these Milwaukee hand tools, and a lot of the special buys that we featured the other day are still available. All right, this is the half-inch metric and standard. It's still $199. I know a couple people commented saying that they missed this. It's back. It's back, baby. $129 for that 7-piece. All right, ratcheting. See, right here is $169 for the metric. So for another $30, you're getting the SAE as well. Here's a 191 piece Milwaukee mechanics tool set here. And this has the ratcheting. Wow. Well, it all fits in this little box, huh? Oh, it's 3 different boxes. Makes sense. A lot of stuff in here. I don't know if I like that, unless these boxes somehow click together, which I doubt. Yeah, you got to keep it all together. But obviously they got these new trays now. And $8.98 for this 46-inch, guys. It's the old school one. All right. The new one probably worth the extra hunt. Now, that's the issue. Is it $200 more or $100 more? Here's your combination. All right. And then you got your ratcheting. But you're still saving 50 on the ratcheting sets. $169. All right. And you got your $69 sets. I wonder if they updated these, man, because I tell you, these sockets are really just like the sockets with the new Milwaukee mechanics tool sets. I was very surprised when I got that brushed 12-volt impact wrench. The quality of the sockets that come in these little, 12-piece pouches. And now you can buy these separately, and this is on sale, saving 32%. If you're looking for some torque locking pliers, 10-piece set, $94, usually $139. And then they're throwing in some screwdrivers here. Hook and pick. Look at this, $154. All right, you're getting a quarter inch, and a 3/8, $154. $549. This is just obviously the roller cabinet. They got a $50 breaker bar. Yeah, here's the top. So $449. And you're still spending $1,000 on a 46-inch. It's not worth it. And this is what, a 46? It doesn't make sense. What's the one? Isn't this a 46? Yeah. So you'll save money buying it in one piece, I guess. But they have a new one out. Oh, boy. Yeah, here's the one, guys. 56-inch. My man, Nurse Patrick, just bought the top part of this combo. All right? For $4.99. They dropped it in store. All right? I believe it's $4.99 for the top. Or maybe it's $4.49 for the top. I'm sure he'll comment on this video. I think it's $4.49 and $5.99. All right, so I mean, it makes no sense to buy this 46-inch when you can get the brand new 56-inch with obviously that pad that security pad where you can put in your identification number. Yeah, $7.99. I think it's down to $5.99. And the top part is usually like $6.99, and it's $4.49. See, I'm wondering where that new... Let me see. Yeah, this is the new one right here. So it's the same price. Oh no, it's $100 cheaper. But this is the new one. Okay, $5.49, and I'm sure you can get it. Here's the 36-inch. Jonathan Nance got this. And my man Samuel got this. He actually really likes this. I told him, I don't know, man, because I think when he got this, the mobile workbench was $598. And I'm like, $100, $200 more, but he really wanted this. $698 for the 44. Yeah, well, see, where's the Milwaukee combo? I gotta write combo here? Really? Yeah, $898. And here's the 56. Where's the 46? They're only selling it broken up now. You can't buy them already. Oh, that sucks. You're telling me you can't buy them as a combo now? The 36-inch, the 46-inch, and the 56-inch. That sucks. So you were able to get the new one, the new 46-inch, and the new 36-inch together like this. But for some reason, they're just selling the 56-inch as a combo. See, here's the 46-inch, the top chest. Here's the 36-inch top. I mean, I don't even see the bottoms of these things. I don't know what's going on. They're only selling... $698 for a 66-inch. You really have to look around on here, guys. Yeah, here's that black pegboard for the 52-inch. I guess you can get a can of spray paint. Still selling these ticks. $129, $598. Hold those. Yeah, so I don't know, man. It makes no sense. Here's the Tough System 1.0 door lock installation set. Look at it, $265. Who would? They're out of their mind. $96? No. I think the new one's cheaper, the 2.0, than $96. Yeah, 33-inch, guys. So you're getting 3 more inches with the Husky over the U.S. General. The U.S. General, I believe, is a 30-inch. That's a 4-drawer. I'm just trying to find like the bottom parts of the 46 and the 36-inch. Doesn't seem like it's possible. I must not be putting something in correctly. Oh, look at this. When? And this has been around. So when has a little workbench? I mean, for $137, That's pretty good. And you get 2 drawers. You get some room on the bottom. You got a pegboard. It's got pretty good reviews. The Wen. Look at this guy. This guy's got guns and ammo. Got a little computer set up on his. He added a lot of stuff to it. It's got a top shelf. He's got solvents and greases up top on the light. He's got his electric guitar. Not a bad, I mean, for 137. Here's it next to some other stuff. This guy bought 2 of them. Said, screw this. $260. I'll spend 2. I'll buy 2. Utah. Get me 2. All right, I can't take any more pictures. How big is it again? 4 foot, so it's 48 inches. Remember, when? All right, I'm probably just not putting it in right, guys. I don't know. All right, do one more. Husky. 22-inch. Rigid hose. Look at this. 22-piece electrician's tool set. Who makes this? Commercial Electric. Commercial Electric. Oh, look at this. All right. Yeah, so I don't know where the bottom parts are to the new 46 and the new 36. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link below.